What's up, YouTube? I haven't made a video in a while, but I got a boiler that I noticed was down. One of these guys. See it? Yeah. So there was a fault on it for condensate float switch. So I never worked on this before, but I just look at the manual and stuff, and kind of told me where things are. But the overflow switch is not in there now, but it was right there. Kind of opened it and a little bit of water came out. There's supposed to be an air vent and stuff here, and for me to be able to see so how to do this with me to be able to get to it, but of course there was none, so I'll just put a bucket. So this is right here, the float. So what I did was I checked for continuity over here. So you would put that in continuity right there. These little lines. And then grab those two wires and you would touch them together. Hear it? That means it's closed. Now you go like that. Here it's not here no more. It's open. Close. Open. That's how you know open or close. So if you look, I don't know if you can see inside there, see a little white thing? With all the dirt in there, that is the switch. So when it's full of water and it's not pumping, that goes against there, touches that, and it closes. Meaning, like, it closes, you know, the water coming out, but it opens up electrically. And then you go like this and it opens and the water goes through. But see all that dirt right there? That's why that switch wasn't making. All that dirt wouldn't let that be able to close, so I'm gonna have to clean that out. I already kind of washed it out, rinsed it out and stuff. So that little bit right there won't let me make the switch. That's one thing that I'm gonna have to do. Well, I figure I'll make a little video. Open, all the water can get out. Hits there, it'll go off. And it was stuck right there. So my switch was open. And it wouldn't send power. You have this bad boy fire up. This is hydronics. So look here. I don't know how good you can see that. You can see that? Probably don't. I gotta get a better camera. The phone works good, but anyway, the condensate flow switch is in series, and it goes to burn door, thermal link, air pressure switch. So if that's not making, that's open. They won't let it fire up. But alright guys, have a good day. Hopefully that taught somebody something. Later.